This is why checking out the neighborhood yard sales is a good thing. I got a portable gas barbecue grill. Brand new. These are over $100. This is the 2-burner version, and it was $30. And it came with a fuel tank. That's crazy. Alright. And it has the ignition to it. So, and I'm already heating it up. Gonna be using it. Bought it yesterday. Doing hamburgers today. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. It's a windy day, as you can see. Delicious. Oh yeah, look at that. You never know what you'll find. All right, bye.